Hello, dear viewers. Today I got a printer. This is brother printer. Brother HL-1110. It's mean triple 1110. This may be Japanese printer. Look, this model. This tray for paper. This also tray for paper. And this for tuner. Tuner is there. This tuner. Okay. Now I show how to you install a new printer software with others installation. Okay, new printer not inside this cartridge. Okay, you take cartridge and this just put like this. Look here. This is a group. Okay, this okay, just press, bus, just push inside, it will sit down automatically, no problem. Then down, and this one, and keep some paper. This paper tray. Okay, this power button. This power cable is fixed. Okay, you cannot remove this power cable. And now need USB cable to connect computer. This like this. Look. Okay. This port. Okay, connected. Just connect with USB. And this power cable. Connected with power. Now sound is coming. Machine is working. Look, this is power on. Okay. Now computer in. At first you need driver disks or driver software, anyone. If you buy new printer, then they will give one disk, driver disk. Okay, you can get software from the driver disk. Otherwise, you go Google and just write brother, BROTHER, brother H11. First I need English. This 1110 driver. This site, just you go and click this link, then coming this page, then I selected Windows 7. If you use Windows 10, then no need to download, because in Windows 10 automatically download after connected the printer. Okay, just click OK. Then this site, this here writing full driver and software package recommended, 3 languages. This click here to choice download. Just click, then close. I select English language. This take some time for start download. Because I already download this software. Now no download. This is software. Okay. After download the software, come here. This download folder. Download folder. Then you can see this software. Just double click. This is brother software, driver software. This run. This. Okay, yes. Your language. Select language. Select at first your language, which one you want. Here Indonesia language, English. This Turkey, then these two I don't know, so I select English, then OK. Bas, this now automatic sometime working. OK, now click yes. Standard is perfect. Next. Now it will work automatic. Software now installation or process in process. It's take minimum 3 to 4 minutes totally. Finish. After some time it will finish. Okay. Now you how can you test the print test? Look, I already keep one paper there. Okay. Go start menu, device and printers. This is a printer. Okay, brother HL-11 series. Okay, just right click, then printer properties. Click here. Now you can print test print. Touch only, click here. Bus. Okay. Look, command already coming here. Maybe you listening sound. Look, paper is going inside and coming outside. Okay. This test print complete. Print test page. Okay. Finish. Thank you, dear viewers, for watching my video. If your printer any problem, then you can call me. I will give my number in description box. Okay, thank you.